Welcome to the third film in our Construction Drawings series. It deals with the different line types and weights used in construction drawings. A look at DIN 1356-1, Table 1, shows us the different types of line that exist. Continuous lines for cut visible edges of objects and for dimensions. Dashed lines for hidden contours of objects below the drawing plane. Dashed dotted lines to depict grid lines and building axes. And dotted lines for projected edges of hidden objects above the drawing plane. You already know all this from our last Between the Lines film series. The important thing to remember here is that all these types of lines are used in construction drawings. The line weights used in construction drawings are listed in Table 2 of DIN 1356-1. The Line Group 3 column specifies the weights to be used in 1 to 50 scale drawings. A 1 mm line is used for section edges, a 0.5 mm line for visible edges and section edges of narrow objects, a 0.35 mm line for dimensions and leader lines, a 0.5 mm dashed line for hidden edges, a 1 mm dashed dotted line for cutting planes, and a 0.5 mm dotted line for projected edges. The numbers indicating dimensions should be 5 mm tall. Summary. DIN 1356-1 provides an overview of the line types and weights used. It distinguishes between continuous lines, dashed dotted lines, and dotted lines. Table 3 sets out the line weights commonly used in 1 to 50 construction drawings. Next, you can take a look at the fourth film in our Construction Drawings series. In it, we explain how a construction drawing is created and outline the various stages of the drawing process.